Today, we're gonna deep fry another classic dish.
But we don't know what it is.
Happy Friday! We've pulled hundreds and hundreds of recipes from these classic cookbooks.
And put them in our big old recipe box.
We'll each spin the Friday big wheel to see what type of dish we'll be deep frying.
Then that type of recipe is randomly pulled from the big old recipe box.
If you don't think the dish will deep fry, you've got 2 more shots.
But if you get to the 3rd recipe, you have no choice but to deep fry it.
Now, we can go pick up the dish,
Or we can make it ourselves.
then we'll each deep fry our randomly selected dish.
And we'll let you know if it's a fry yay
Or a fry nay. You know, you would think that I would start to feel comfortable with this, but I still get scared of this thing.
Yeah, I am nervous.
A Twitter. I'm scared to go down that carefree fry way. Every time I want to exit. Okay, we're having fun.
Yeah,
Okay.
it's episode 3.
Woohoo!
We're having so much fun. And please, if you like what you see, subscribe.
Yes. And
please
share.
do.
Okay, so
Yes.
let's review the categories on the old fry wheel.
All right.
Okay.
So we've got appetizers, breakfast brunch,
Yay.
soups and salads,
Boo.
handhelds, and beef.
And we've got poultry, pork, seafood, sides, and dessert. Sides. We've yet to get sides, and I'm
know.
like, if I get like. Right, I don't know. I don't even know. I'm silly. Okay, I think it's your turn to go first, or is it my turn?
No,
it's my
it's
turn
your
to
turn.
go first.
Yes.
Okay.
Y'all, this is, first of all, let me say my favorite so far has been the deep fried Cinnabon.
Oh, yeah.
Just
Thank you.
big and sugary.
Yeah, well, that's the way we like them. Okay, here we go. Get
All
ready.
right.
Come on, wheel.
Yeah,
Do
come
me
on.
good. Do me good. Please be good to me. I've been trying to be good.
Come on. Come on.
Okay, boy, it's really spinning. Oh, I can feel something. Oh.
Appetizer!
I never know to be happy for that or
I know.
not because it
Come
can,
on over to my side. There you go.
Oh gosh.
Y'all,
I'm. Oh my. Okay.
Show it up. Get it up there.
Cherry peppers stuffed with tuna salad. Okay, that is delicious. I do love it.
You do actually make really good
I
cherry
do,
peppers.
and I love making this. But you know what? I'm gonna press
would
my luck.
suggest that
Let's
you
move on.
press the
Let's come on,
luck.
wheel. Come on, wheel. We got to move
Nobody
on.
likes deep fried tuna.
You would be unique. That's for sure. In the cherry pepper may be different. All right, what do we got? What do we got? What do we?
Handhelds.
I'm always being handed the handhelds.
Yeah.
Okay, where are
That's
they?
all right. They're safe.
Well,
You want to get daring, though.
you
I
know what my handheld was last time? It
Oh.
was Sloppy Joe.
Yeah.
A lamb gyro, or as we used to call them, gyros.
A gyro.
Again, that would be super
I'd
delicious.
put it back. I would just go for broke.
But deep frying bread is risky. Okay, I could change its format. Okay. I'm gonna do. If I get tomato soup,
This is it, y'all. I'm so
cannot
nervous.
believe I'm going
Come
back.
on, do it.
I'm not a risk taker like this.
Come on, I am.
I know you are. Oh, no. I just know I'm gonna get super salad. Oh, I got the next worst thing, seafood.
No, maybe not.
Fried seafood
Yes.
is delicious.
Yes.
But what if I get like
Come on.
lobster?
Nobody wants to hear that. Come on.
Okay, I'm just a nervous Nelly. Spicy tuna sushi roll. Well, I can tell you one thing, I'm not going to be making that.
Well, it's going to be crunchy, that's for sure.
Well, it does have great potential. I'm kind of excited about it. A spicy tuna sushi roll.
That's fine.
That's one of my favorite things in the world
do.
anyway.
I love them too. Okay, y'all, it's my turn. I'm ready for the beef. I want the beef.
He loves the beef.
I love beef.
He loves the sweet and he loves the beef.
Yes. Obviously.
I don't even, we need a psychologist to figure that out. Okay,
Not
go.
really.
I know.
Here we go. Yes, come on, y'all. Big money, big money.
What's it gonna be? Oh, I still can't believe I got sushi.
Beef! I got the beef. I got the beef. Yes, all right.
You tend to go with your first draw.
Oh, I don't know though. All right.
All right.
And I want to reiterate. We don't know what we're drawing at all.
No,
This is all right
I
now.
think that's
We're all experiencing.
abundantly clear.
All right, ready?
Go. What is it? Are you still glad you got beef? What is it?
No, it's Irish beef stew. So sorry. I am not going to do that.
You would definitely need a binder of some sort for that.
Oh, yeah, no.
But
I'm passing.
Again, though, the potential could be great.
It could be.
Wrap
You
it
know
in
what?
something.
If I draw it on my third time, then
You'll
I'll
figure
do
it out. You'll make it work.
All right, I'm spinning again, y'all.
Okay.
Come on. Come on. Give me desserts. Give me something. Do not give me soups or salads. Handheld.
I tell you, the old fry wheel loves the handhelds.
All right, I'm going to go deep into the handheld caverns here.
Oh, boy. Oh, you went...
Ooh.
What is it?
A Cubano. I love a Cubano. Cubano just the way it is. I'm going Cubano, like I'm from Cuba.
I know. You're so cool.
You know what? I'm going to go for broke. I'm going to do one more spin, y'all.
Oh, I thought you were going to do it. I was like, oh my god.
Nope, I'm going to take my chances.
I would have done that. I would have do rolled
again. Take a chance. I'm taking a chance.
Take a chance.
All right, here we go, y'all. My last and final spin. Please, Straw Daddy, be nice to me.
And if it's terrible, I'm going to pay the brunt of it. I just know.
Oh, no. Oh, no.
He got super salad.
Y'all, okay.
That's what happens when you play with destiny. It doesn't always work in your favor.
Now remember, I have to do this. Yeah. I have to fry whatever I'm pulling out of here.
If it's beef stock.
Classic potato salad. I think that might be
that
okay.
Could be, actually, I think you could have some potential with that. That is going to be fun.
I'm going to fry up some potato salad.
You know what's so hilarious, though? That I'm frying raw fish. Isn't it sort of like, like why? It's a contradiction, but that's what we do here on Fridays. Fusion or
confusion?
Confusion is more what it is. Okay.
All right.
The clock is on. We've got 3 hours to. I'm not going to be making tuna roll. You're going to decide if you're going to make it or pick it up.
All right. We're going to do it. Let's do it.
Okay. So, deep fried sushi. Who doesn't love that? So sushi is one of those things that I haven't actually delved into trying to make myself. I want to one day, but I need to get it. I need to go pick it up, and I know where I'm going to pick it up. The question is how I'm going to fry it. So it's fish, it's seafood. So immediately what came to mind was like fish and chips. I love fish and chips, and so the way I do a fish and chips is with a beer batter, but a wet beer batter. But I don't know, it gets really kind of dense, and I want that tuna flavor to really kind of still be able to come through. So I decided I'm going to do a tempura. It's lighter and it's delicious and it should still really work really well. Okay, here we are. I love this sushi place. We'll see. I'm gonna go pick it up and wish me luck. Okay, here's the sushi. Let's deep fry it.
So I am frying up some potato salad. Woohoo! Oh, well, we have some in the fridge. It's been there a couple of days, so it's lost its own oomph. So I'm gonna go and get me some fresh from our local barbecue joint. Yay! They make some really good potato salad. And I think the way I'm gonna prepare it is kind of like our arancini, which is a deep fried risotto using like like a fine breadcrumb. Ooh, so exciting. Woo! Should be interesting, y'all. Or a disaster, one of the two. Yeah, could I get a pound of your potato salad?
All right, we'll see you at the window. Thank you.
Okay, thanks.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. I'm gonna fry up some potato salad.
Okay, so why do we do this? I can't believe that. This sushi is so delicious, and I'm gonna fry it.
I know.
I have a question for you.
Yeah.
I have homemade potato salad in the fridge.
Well, it's lost its oomph.
I know. A few days.
No,
I know. You're right. It absorbs
it's
it.
creamy, and then all of a sudden it's not creamy.
I know.
This is creamy.
You get that from our barbecue joint? Okay,
totally.
it is good. It is good. Well, I got
a
this.
little dill flavor too.
That's just the way I do it. Okay, so I've got my spicy tuna, and I've got my little tempura batter, and all this is just like, it's so easy, tempura batter. It's just like egg, flour, and ice water. Okay, I'm so nervous. You want to start? Yours can take a little longer.
Mine go. So I've got obviously my potato salad. I've got flour. I've got an egg bath, and I've got the fine breadcrumbs.
So you're doing just a standard bread.
How are you? Like arancini.
I noticed you pulling that out of the freezer.
If it's colder, it sticks together.
I agree.
I've got my ice scooper. I'm gonna get so messy, y'all.
Ice cream scooper.
All right.
All right.
My ice cream scooper. I'm gonna just start.
I've got chopsticks here.
This is creamy. Oh dear. Okay.
You're just gonna have to use your hands and get it.
Okay. Do I do flour, egg batter, and then?
That's what you said. I'm just gonna use my fingers here. This is crazy, you guys. You're here witnessing. I feel like we're on some.
Oh, this is ridiculous. I can't believe I'm doing this, Chris.
You can do it. You can do it. I believe in it, Wesley.
Oh dear.
And then compact it. That's a huge. They can't be too big.
Oh, okay. Well, here. Okay. Well, Chris.
All right. I mean, you picked a really big. That's a scoopful.
Okay. Yeah, it's a scoop. Okay.
I didn't realize that scooper was so big.
Chris, this is ridiculous. This is going to turn out to be horrible.
No, I just think you need to make your balls smaller.
Okay. Okay, that's the first one. That's the first one. All right. Hold on. I'm going to do another one. Oh, Chris, this is terrible.
No, there you go. That's a little more manageable. And then just squeeze it.
I can't even.
Let me see.
All right, I can't squeeze it. These are big chunks.
Yeah, I know.
These are big chunks. Okay.
Yeah, that's the problem with potato salad. They don't see. If you'd use mine, I do little small dice.
Yeah. Whatever. Okay, I got that one done. Okay, that was a better size. Okay. All right, that one's good.
Yeah. Well, I'm gonna let
you. Okay, one more.
Do another one.
So are you ready?
I am so ready. I don't think these are gonna take long.
Okay, well, I'm gonna put these two in because they're my favorite.
Okay. All right, guys, those are good looking balls.
Okay. Come on, stop it.
Okay.
Oh dear. Okay.
Hold on. I gotta shake off my excess.
I got my big one here. Oh no, that's not gonna happen. Okay, I've got 2 balls.
Okay. So I'm gonna do that. Okay, I think mine might be okay.
Yours will be probably fantastic.
That's gonna look good, Wesley.
I've got to go clean myself.
All right, let's let these fry, and then we're gonna see how they turn out. Okay, Wesley, I kind of see yours. I think.
I don't know. We'll see.
Wesley. Oh! Look, a little tempura.
Chris, look at yours.
I know. And Wesley, that is something who was it? The deep fried mac and cheese? That's
yes.
Cheesecake Factory, isn't it? It kind of reminds me of that.
Wow, look at that.
That's awesome.
I'm just gonna
This one.
You're stuck?
Yeah, a couple of them did.
Oh, look at that.
What are you doing to me? The tuna's saying, I'm not enjoying this.
I can't believe I just did.
I can't believe it. I can tell you one thing.
Y'all.
Tuna is no longer raw, that's for sure.
Those look really
It looks like something you get at like a really cool fusion place.
Okay, I've got a little Chris's homemade barbecue sauce, and I figured it's barbecue.
It is.
Yeah. I'm just gonna go ahead.
I made that for the Labor Day weekend. Right, that's a good addition.
Yeah.
I've just got like a spicy Thai dip. It's just like. Oh, it's so easy. It's fish sauce, soy sauce, a little bit of chili sauce, and then some scallions and some garlic. What am I doing? Okay.
Yeah.
Use
your fingers. Okay. Hold on. I'm just going to do a little bit of mine.
I'm going to dip mine.
I'm just going to put it over my... It's a barbecue kind
It's
of thing.
Hilarious is what it is. Okay, I'm going to use it because I don't know how hot this is. I should use my chopsticks, but I have a faulty hand. Ooh. Okay, now I'm going to do another.
All right, I'm gonna break in. Oh, mine fell apart, but that's okay.
Let's.
Hold on.
Good. Unusual.
Here, let me try yours. I want you to try it first.
You've got my fork. I'm just.
Here.
Okay, this is really bizarre.
Hold on, I'm gonna go in.
Oh yeah, dip it. Was it? I didn't think you would liked it because you were so. I'm sorry. I think you were afraid to say that you did a good job.
I'm a little nervous about it. It's interesting. It's very interesting.
Oh, I would.
This is delicious.
Do you think so?
I love that. I mean, it's no longer sushi, but it's still delicious.
I thought it was kind of bizarre.
I think mine's a little bizarre too.
It is, but no. You know what I love? I'm trying to remind.
Flo wants to
it
try
reminds me of like of a hash brown casserole. It's got that crunchy top, the exterior.
Totally, that's what it is.
That's what it is. And I'm all for that.
And this is,
I don't know how to describe that. I've gotten a couple of weird ones, and we're gonna have.
I love the taste of this. So it's a fry halfway.
That's a fry. Okay.
The sauce is delicious.
Thank you. I have to say, when you handed it to me, I was like, well, he's got a clunker. It's delicious.
Oh, yay!
I'm gonna give it a fry. Yay! You guys,
oh, y'all, we're having so much fun with these. We're just having a blast.
we love you so much.
Yes.
We hope you're having fun, and I guess we'll just have to see you next Friday. Bye, everybody.